Hey everyone! Today we're unboxing one of our most popular items here at Getty's. It's the Sensibles Kneaded Eraser Assortment. Sensibles! Get it? It's a huge display with 144 erasers, 18 different mouthwatering scents, and they all come in these really cute little cases to protect the eraser and keep them from drying out. We have the root beer float, cola, cappuccino, fruit punch, orange slush, strawberry milkshake, the Cocoa Sun coconut, toasty campfire marshmallow, hot diggity dog, very cherry snow cone, watermelon, the Yum Ball bubblegum, the yummy birthday cake, the fruit smoothie, Granny's apple pie, that sounds good, the Orange Creamsicle, Polar Peppermint Freeze, and last but not least, we have the Sweet Dreams Sugar Cookies. Those sound delicious, don't they? Okay, enough with the showing. I want to smell some of these. Let's do the Hot Diggity Dog. Let's open this up. And they're all covered so that the scent does not disappear on us. Alright, let me smell this. Yep, smells like a hot dog, alright. Alright, let's smell another one. Let's do the yummy birthday cake, because I love cake. Okay, let's open this one. And let's give it a smell. That smells really good. I love that. Okay, we're gonna smell one more, because I can't help myself. Let's do the very cherry snow cone. Oops. I like that one a lot. That one's really good. Now, these are no ordinary erasers. Not only are they scented, but they're also kneadable, which means that you can pull them and stretch them. And you can break them apart, like that, and then put them back together, like nothing happened. And you can twist them, and they're kind of like putty too. Which makes it very different from the classic pink eraser that we all know and love. These are great and all, and they work just fine, but they're just not as fun. Not fun like this. Isn't that cool? Now, if I want to go crazy, which I do, I'm going to take the very cherry cola and the hot diggity dog, and I'm going to make a frankincense. We're going to twist them together, and we're gonna give it a smell. Whoa, that's crazy. Your kids are gonna love making their own Franken erasers with 18 different scents in one box. I could play with these all day. These erasers are great for your classroom treasure box or your school store, or just as a fun gift to hand out. They're great for little hands that like to fidget and manipulate things too. Your students are gonna love these. And you can get them on our website. Check out the link below. Now, what products do you want us to unbox next? Leave a comment below. Until next time!